Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and I am probably the most excited I've ever been when it comes to doing a review. This thing changes the game when it comes to audio recording using a cell phone, and here is why. This, by this company, is over the top, super awesome. Can't say enough good things about it, and I've only been using it for a little bit. Always was looking for something that I could have like a mic on me, walk around, do videos or whatever, and not having to rely on the microphone in the actual cell phone, where now you can walk around and anywhere and you can have a mic. So this is what it would probably look like attached. It comes like this, and the cool part is that this serves as a charging dock, and there's not just one, there are two that come in here. Their LED indicator, it comes with a USB-C, which plugs in right here in the back. This small case, fits in the palm of the hand. And then it also comes with a very cool little adapter that plugs into the phone, and this is exactly how it works. It has a LED indicator letting the user know like how much battery is left, and its charging eventually goes up to 100. And it's dual, so one side is charging, the other side is charging, because there are two of these individual wireless mics. They're very small. They're only, size-wise, they're about 1.75 inches by about 1/2 inch. So it has a little spring-loaded clip that can be clipped on a shirt or a hat or whatever. And you have two of them. And then you have this, which is the adapter that plugs into, let's just say, a phone. Plug it in, and the blue indicator light will let you know it's connected, it has power. Pull this out. Once these two are synced and they're not flashing, then it is recording. Now, I've tested this over 25 feet away. It might even go farther, and you're picking up the mics that are right on the top here. Very clear. To give an example of the clarity, let's walk away from the camera that's filming with this on a shirt, and you'll be able to tell the quality in a test. Testing. This is a mic test to see how good this thing works. Walking around. Testing. Is this picking up some good mic action here all the way away? Testing. What does this sound like? What's also really cool is, let's just say the user is using this for a very long period of time. Phone is needing to be charged, and there's, let's just say, streaming or recording that needs to go in the exact same time. The port on the side can be powered up, and now the phone is being charged and the wireless mic is still working. And there are a couple different ways that these can be charged. So they can be charged, as mentioned, via the port, but they all have their individual USB-C, and when plugged in, there's a red indicator letting the user know that these are in charging mode. What's really cool is the battery life on these is extremely long. From a testing standpoint, in excess of 1 hour, and these still have battery. I've yet to drain them completely. Just hasn't been a situation where I needed to be in recording mode for over 60 minutes. In summary, these things are awesome for a couple different reasons. The first is that it comes in its self-contained charging dock, which is a plus, especially from a traveling standpoint. Having not one but two wireless mics, having the ability to have the phone being charged at the exact same time when you're in recording mode is just fantastic. Can't speak enough good things about this brand. These things are fantastic, and this is a review. This company did send this to me and said, Ryan, tell us what you think. Give us an honest review. Hopefully that came across, because these things are legit, and we'll talk to you soon.